Logging a dive is your record that it happened. Getting it verified is the dive center's. Here's how to ask them to confirm your dives in ISC DIVER. One dive or a whole trip in a single request. Anyone can type anything into a logbook, so every dive in ISC DIVER carries a status. Unverified means it's your word alone, and that's where most dives start. Verification pending means you've asked your dive center and they haven't answered yet. And verified means the center you dived with has confirmed it. You'll see that status as a badge on every dive card, and tapping it is how you do something about it. Start in your Dive Logs tab. Every dive shows its status right there on the card, an amber unverified pill on anything your center hasn't confirmed yet. Tap the badge. Verification is an ask to one specific dive center, so the dive needs one tagged. If it doesn't have one yet, just tap Choose Dive Center. You don't have to go back into the edit form to do it. Search for the center you dived with and tap it. It has to be a center from the list because that's who actually receives the request. Typing a name by hand tags the dive for your own records, but it leaves nobody to ask. Now the sheet tells you exactly who's being asked. Tap Request Verification and it's away. Do check that name first. The request goes to a real business and there's no taking it back. If it's wrong, choose a different center is right there. Now, what if you've got a whole trip to verify? 3 dives with the same center shouldn't be 3 separate jobs, for you or for them. So select the lot and send one request. Tap Select on any dive card. That turns on selection mode with the dive you tapped from already picked. Then tap each of the other dives you want to include. The bar along the bottom lists every one you've picked, the date, the site, and the center it's tagged to, so you can see exactly what you're about to send. Tap Center, and every selected dive gets tagged with one dive center in a single step. A trip is usually one operator, so there's no reason to do it dive by dive. Then tap Verify. Before anything is sent, you get a summary grouped by dive center, so a stray dive can't quietly drag a second operator into it. Any dives that are already verified or that don't have a center tagged are called out here and skipped. Happy with it? Send. All 3 dives went out together, in one ask. The center gets a single link covering the whole trip with every dive already ticked, so confirming is one tap for them, and they don't need an ISC Diver account to do it. Back in your logbook, those dives now read Verification Pending. There's nothing more for you to do. You'll get a notification the moment the center responds and the badge updates itself. When they confirm, the badge turns green and names them, verified by your dive center, on the card, in the feed, and on the dive itself. Only the center tagged on a dive can verify it, and all they see is the site, date, depth, and time. Dives you log as part of a course are confirmed automatically. Everything else is one tap away, proof from the people who were there that the dive happened.